you mind walking us through how you did it differently?
Well, I learned from what Yolanda did the first time when we were talking about 8 being 5 and 3. And so I was thinking how easy it was to add that 5 to 45. So I broke 16 down into 11 and 5. And so I started at 45 and I made that jump to 50.
So you went up right here. And Yolanda, she said she learned from you on that one. How many did she say she went up by?
5.
She went by 5. All right. Okay, Faith, keep going.
So then I got to 50.
Okay.
So then I had 11. So then I used Brenda's strategy a little bit as I have 11, thinking that's an adding a 10 and 1. So exactly, I broke down 11 into 10 and 1. Then I made a hop of 10 next to get to 60. And then I just have to go one more to get to 61.
Very nice. So let me capture. So Yolanda, can you tell me, kind of revoice to me what it was that Faith did in her thinking and help me finish my number line right here?
All right. So at first she took the 45 and she added 5, and then that's how she got to 50. And then we knew that the number was 16, and so she still needed to go some more. And so she said to add 10, and 10 plus 50 is 60. But when I look at the numbers at the top, I know that 5 plus 10 is 15, and I still need one more to get my answer. So now that I'm at 60, I'm going to add 1 because I still need 1. And so from 60 plus 1, my answer would be 61 is where I would end.
Brenda, what are your thoughts on this? Do you agree with how these two ladies helped me finish my number line right here?
Yes.
What is something in there that Faith said that she learned from you that helped her get to the solution of 61?
That she could take a 10 away from the number 16 and add it easily.
Very nice. So 45 plus 16 does equal 61. You guys did a really nice job working together and helping me build this number line and showing your strategies and learning from one another and building off of each other's. Nice job on the problem string today.